Wishing you a very good day to everyone. My name is Osanda Gunawardana. So this is the final project for the RYSERA AI course. So in Sri Lanka, many people struggle to find a suitable property because the listings are scattered and local details such as the legal status and land sizes are not properly given. So in order to resolve this, we uh, we introduced a a chat first assistant that understands plain language preferences. So as you can see, this is the user interface. It was made by the Streamlit, and let me show you the innate workflow which I used to make this project. So as you can see, this is the innate workflow. So as our first node, we have the, this called the when chat message received node. So this is like the entry point for the entire system, and it listens and wait for a user to type a message. So as the second one, we have the get rows in sheet node. So this basically connects to our Google Sheet and returns all columns like names, locations, and prices and such. So as our third node, we have the code in JavaScript. So this takes the raw Google Sheet data and it formats into a clean, reasonable data and pass it through for the process. So as for the fourth node, I have used a wait node. So it is uh, like we had to use introduce this to prevent the hit prevent hitting the sorry API rate limits and to make sure the requests like overlap to make sure the requests don't overlap. So this is uh, the AI agent, the brain of the entire system, and this helps to generate a conversational, helpful, helpful response, and it asks follow-up questions. So this is the chat, uh, what you call the chat model. So you might wonder why we haven't used the most popular chat model, which is Gemini. So actually, initially we used Gemini 2.0, but for some reason it stopped working. And once I shifted to the group, uh, it kept working. So we kept it that way. So as the last node, we have used the chat send message node. It takes the AI response and sends it back to the user interface. So let me show you a demonstration. Uh, if we type Gampaha or let's type Colombo properties, or let's make it specific like the top three Colombo properties. So it keeps running and waiting for 3 seconds. Processing. Mm, yes, we got top three Colombo properties. So as you can see, we have only one property in the database, which is in which is specifically in Colombo. So it says, of course, the rank is one. It's a high-rise condo. You can see it's the location is Colombo 3. The price, the rooms number of rooms, and the legal status is a trusted government verified title. So so and for another example, let's look at properties with beams of your legal status. So uh, the beams of your legal status means it's a state guaranteed land title registration system, which is currently active in Sri Lanka. So when land has a BIM survey, it is very good to buy. So it's processing. So these are the top three properties with BIM survey legal status. So it's a budget starter. We have a residential plot, modern three-bedroom houses. And we have the locations, the prices, the room numbers, the land, land purchase, the land size in purchase, and we have the legal status, the BIM survey class 1, class 2. So, so they have this follow-up question like you can even see the what you call the GPS coordinates. Let's look, for example, let's look at them. The so I input the messages they give me the GPS coordinates for the above the properties with BIM survey. So we have this ID, property, location, and the GPS location even. So as per the above message, we have these top three matches, and so it says the clear deeds and be to show are highlighted to show reliable legal titles. So they're asking follow up questions. For further, if you are interested, you can chat. You can have a conversation with this chat model. So, so this project proves the concept works, and so for future improvements, for like businesses uh, which have about 1,000 to 2,000 listings, uh, we have to f- we have to rely on a vector database and embeddings to make it possible for such businesses. So also we would like to integrate uh, in WhatsApp and Telegram in near future. So this is the end of my presentation explaining the the final project for the RYSERA AI course. Hope you have a very good day. Thank you.